Hello, my name is Shane Kim, and today I want to help you guys do the LeetCode number 66 plus one problem. So this is a really simple problem, so don't be scared when you look at it. So the main idea is that we have this input array that represents an integer value, and every element in our integer has a constraint from 0 to 9. So you don't have to worry about numbers that are greater than 9 or less than 0. So essentially, if the number is 1, 2, 3, the output is 1, 2, 4. So it's pretty simple. All we have to look at is how are we going to work backwards and get our desired output. So 1,299, that would change to 1,300. I'm pretty sure you guys can do the math. But the main idea here is working backwards. We find the digits that are 9 and we change those numbers to 0. And once we encounter a number that's not 9, then we can just iterate that number by 1. So you guys can test it out on a few different test cases, I guess. It works. But then there's another test case we have to cover, which is what if all the numbers are 9? That means that we can't just, have an in-place sorting algorithm. We actually need to create a new one that's one size larger than our input, right? So the idea with that is just create a new array then. Just create a new array that's one size larger than your input and change the first number to 1. That's the main idea. So now let's actually code it. It's really simple. So, our int n equals our length of our digits array. So, and now we need to iterate backwards. So in I equals n minus 1. So we have to get the correct index, right? So greater or equal to 0, I minus minus. So let's say if our number was just 1, 2, 3. Then we just have to increment that last number, right, to get 1, 2, 4. So let's just check if that number is not 9. So if digits I does not equal to 9, that means we just digits I equals digits I plus 1, because we're just incrementing that number by 1, which would make sense. So let's just kind of think about that line of code. So working backwards, we're at that last number, right? So, this number does not equal to 9, so we just increment it to 4, and we get 124. So, but what if it does equal to 9? I'll just leave that there. So what if this does equal to 9? Then let me get the, if it does equal to 9, then we change it to 0, right? And then we find the next number immediately to the left of it. If it's not 9, then we just increment it by 1, 3. Boom, simple. So else digits I equals 0. Yes. And now we gotta see, we got this special case, right? 999. Like, what the hell? Who wants to do this, right? But simple. Get a new array, n plus 1, one size larger, right? And then our new array, first element is gonna be equal to 1 every time, every darn time. So, and then we just return this new array, and we should be, we gotta return the array here after we're done, and that should work. That should work. Come on, that should work. So sorry. And that should work, and it does. All right, good. So hopefully you guys learned the basic algorithm for this problem. Just kind of look at these numbers and see the patterns you find, with the 9s and once you don't encounter a 9. Once you kind of get that in your head, this problem's super simple. So I'll see you guys in the next video.